Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to download and install the best free VPN, Soft Ether VPN. First, open the link shared in the description below. Then click on Download Soft Ether VPN. It should be the first link on the website. Next, open your Downloads folder. Extract the zip file. Double-click the installer to run the installation. Click Next. Choose Soft Ether VPN client, then click Next. Agree to the terms and click Next again. Choose your installation location, then click Next to continue. Click Next, then click Yes to begin the installation. Once the installation is complete, let's test it. Open Google Chrome and check your current location. Now close Chrome and go back to Soft Ether VPN Client Manager. Click on VPN Gate Public VPN Relay Servers. You'll see over 200 public VPN connections available. Choose any region you like, then double-click to connect. Click Agree to confirm. Once the connection is successful, go back to Chrome and check your location again. And that's it. You've successfully established a free VPN connection using Soft Ether VPN. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.